What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tyler and we're going to be going over two very important things to know heading into earnings. This is not specific to earnings, but I think the two or the three will actually play together in a great way to give us some room to move up to the upside. We're going to be talking about the failure to delivers, the massive number of failure to delivers that are due within the next 2 weeks. We're also going to go over this Ortex tweet. So with that being said, guys, drop the like on the video. If you want to see AMC stock go to the moon and hit all-time highs just like I do, and if you are continuing to buy the dip, also let me know down below in the comment section if you have bought AMC today, if you are waiting, if you are buying every single day. Let me know that information. Also consider subscribing to the channel and turning on that notification bell. So like I said, guys, we're gonna keep this nice, short, and sweet. Let's first go over this Ortex tweet. So it says 5 hours ago, Ortex AMC short interest update. AMC's earnings report is released later today, and estimated short interest percentage of free float is at its highest level in a month. Estimated short interest 16.27% of the free float, utilization at 94.51%. This essentially means with such a high utilization and a high short interest that we are very vulnerable for forced recalls, guys. This is essentially where the lenders of these shares that actually lend them out to hedge funds and institutions to sell short can call on those shares back at any time they have the right to do this, force the shorts to cover and re-lend these shares out, because obviously a lot of people want to get their hands on AMC shares to sell short. Now, this does not mean the share utilization. That does not necessarily mean all these shares are going to be sold short. That just means that they're actually loaned out and held in people's brokerage accounts, that the people that actually own the shares, that have the right to these shares, they don't have their shares, right? So they can't lend them out to multiple people. We have seen that happen in the past, but that means that they need to get their hands on more shares. So that's essentially what we need to cover as far as the Ortex tweet. Very interesting that on earnings, we have the highest short interest percentage of free float before earnings that we have had in over a month. So we are very primed to see some level of shorts actually covering. Obviously, I don't think this earnings is going to kick off the actual short squeeze by any means necessary. We're going to see the short interest go much higher before that actually does happen. Now take a look at these failure to deliver, guys. This is the amount of money plus the T plus 35 settlement time. So the T plus 35 date is right here. You guys can see for not tomorrow, but the day after tomorrow, August 11th, we are seeing 4,053,000 shares that will have to be covered, guys. That is worth $240 million. The day after that, we're seeing 3.6 million, worth $202 million. The next day after that, we're seeing $3.7 million. And then on Friday, we are seeing 3.8 million shares, worth $226 million. So we see a lot of FTDs that do need to be covered throughout the remaining of this week. For today, we're not seeing any at all as far as this chart is indicating to us. As we do know, failure to delivers can be quite sporadic. You can see days with 15,000 FTDs, and then you see the next day with 2.3 million, next day with 4 million. So definitely something to know and keep on your radar. I wanted to bring this information to you guys, and obviously throughout the next week as well, we're seeing anywhere from 4.4 million on the high end to 2.2 million on the lower end. So I definitely think the next 2 weeks are going to be very bullish, especially if we get some good information, some good guidance, some innovation from the company, and some more sustainable revenue. There's a lot we can speculate on that. I've speculated a lot in previous videos about what I think could entail coming earnings, but that is really what I want you guys to know. There's a strong likelihood to actually see a pop. AMC is currently at $33.74, so definitely went up since the midday update video that I just did a couple hours ago. I think we're setting up for that pop. We see hedge funds, institutions positioning themselves before earnings. As far as the 13F filings, we are being reported from Fintel, so I definitely think all looks good here. Like I said, I'll keep you guys updated as far as what does come out with earnings and on the earnings call. The numbers don't matter. The guidance, the innovation, and the revenue going ahead into the future is what really matters. So this is the short, sweet, and simple update for you guys. If you like the video, drop that like on the video. If you want to see AMC stock go to the moon, make sure to do that, as well as comment down below, like I said, what you guys are doing with your AMC position. Are you continuing to buy the dip? Are you selling out? What are you doing? Let me know, as well as consider subscribing to the channel and turning on that notification bell so you'll be notified in real time when these videos are posted. You definitely don't want to miss out on the videos coming throughout the rest of the day. They're going to be very important. Also, if you guys are not signed up with Public, check that link out down below in the description, guys. Get up to $70 in your choice free stock in about 3 minutes time with no need to link a bank account or deposit a single dollar. They also do not use payment for order flow whatsoever. So if I'm going to promote a broker, it's going to be that one because they have the best incentive here for apes and sending our orders to lit exchanges instead of getting backlogged on order books and releasing our sells into the market, flooding the market with open supplies while holding on to our buys. Nobody wants that. That is not good for anything. Also, if you guys want to be notified in real time as well when I make trades, whether they're day trades, swing trades, or long-term investments in stock, options, or crypto, check out the link down below for the buy and sell alerts. That is very inexpensive and it pays for itself. But with all of that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video.